working this morning, I am going to cook a little meal, a little snack, something I saw on YouTube, TikTok, one of the two, for my wife. If y'all know me, y'all know I don't cook, so we're not gonna hold y'all up too long. I'm just gonna go ahead and do my little morning routine. I'm gonna run to the store, do a quick run, and then I'm gonna come back home. She's at the gym, so it should be like a little after the gym snack to get her ready. So I got the crushes in my eyes because I'm a late bloomer, but it's okay. But let's go and get into it. And another thing about me, y'all, I'm trying to figure out me a skincare regimen. It ain't giving what it needs to give. I don't feel like I have bad skin, but right now I'm using this plant-based soap from Bus City. So, and then I'll finish it off with this Clinique. So right now it's doing what it needs to do. Open my eye. That's steaming. Yeah, I need the little, Lord, it's burning. I need the little stoppers. So when you're washing your face and stuff, it don't get run on your clothes. Oh, and if y'all know me, Lord knows, I cannot see without my glasses or contacts. So I'm gonna have to hurry up because I need to be able to see. So. Alright, after my face dry, I put on this Clinique. It got like a little sunscreen in it or something, I don't know. Let me get my skincare stuff right. If y'all can help me out, I have oily skin. And I really, this is bad to admit, but I don't like to put on lotion. I know. Judge me. It's fine. I don't know why. I feel like it just makes me more oily. But this stuff, it does pretty well. It is a hydrating jelly. Sounds bougie. All right. Ooh, can't forget to put back on your ring. All right, y'all. So there's a couple things I gotta get from the store. Since I'm not too good at this whole, and this is bad to admit because I'm an adult, but Joey does all our grocery shopping. So I got me a little list, and the stuff that I need are cucumbers, shrimp, tuna, sesame seeds, rice, kiwi pie mayo, and sriracha chili sauce. So hopefully I'm just gonna get to the store. I don't know if I'm gonna go to Publix, where I'm just gonna be like, hey, I need this. And hopefully they can just point me to the right direction, so wish me luck. Yeah, I'm just updating y'all. I did not know how hard grocery shopping was on a Saturday. But I'm not gonna complain. I'm just gonna do some compromises. I'm gonna flip this and make this my way because I ain't got half the stuff that girl told me to get off of that video. So hopefully it still come out good. I haven't ate anything all day and it is officially about to be 3 o'clock. It is 2:45 p.m. And if y'all know me, I get hangry. So I'm gonna go grab me a smoothie real quick from Smoothie King. Not Smoothie King. What is? Tropical Smoothie. And then I'm gonna head to the house. And then I'm gonna show y'all what I'm gonna whip up. It ain't nothing fancy because I can't cook, but I'm doing my best for my girl. So hopefully she likes it. And hopefully I like it too. Alright, what's up, y'all? I'm finally back at the house. I had to grab my smoothie. give me a little energy. We finna go and do it. I'm finna go and whip it up in the kitchen. It ain't really what y'all think I'm finna whip up, but y'all finna see what I'm finna whip up when I whip it up in this kitchen. You know what I'm saying? This for the studs out there that don't cook. I'm doing this for y'all, cause they be hating on us, cause we women, but we can't cook. But I'm finna show y'all how I'm finna get down. So I'm gonna just show y'all little snippets, and let's go and get into it. Should be home shortly, so I gotta hurry up. So let's get it. I'm finna show y'all what I bought. I had to call my homeboy. He came in clutch. He was like, you know they make packets and they season it for you. So I got this tuna. I got 2 packs of this. Boom, right there. Creamy sriracha sauce. Boom, right there. Y'all I ain't know if I got the right thing, so I bought this too. So that's sriracha, what it is? Chili sauce. So I'm gonna try both of them. I'm gonna do this Insta rice, cause that's what Shorty did when she put it in there. She put this Insta rice in a microwave, and then I got the shrimp and cucumbers. And y'all know seasonings. Everybody know how to season, so I'm not gonna do all that on camera. But y'all finna watch it. Finna come out good. Watch and believe it. I'm gonna do a taste test because I ain't never had tuna like this before. Boy, I'm on to something, boy. Well, I didn't create this. Technically, I just finessed it a little bit. Keep looking. Alright, y'all, just finished. They just got home, so they finna go try this out and tell me what it's hitting like. Do not hold back. If it's nasty, it's nasty. If it's good, it's good. This is something I got off of YouTube. You know I'm scared of YouTube videos because I can't never make it like they make it. So, yeah. You ready? Okay. Let's go.
No, girl.
Okay.
Get you your knife.
Alright, so obviously shrimp, tuna. Heads up. What you want to drink? Because it's got a little kick to it. Water. Alright, get one of both. Get one of each. And go and take that thing.
Which one you want to try first?
I'm thinking I want to try the shrimp first.
Shrimp? Okay, I'll try shrimp too first. Ready?
I can always put more sauce.
Huh?
Eat it from the bag, get the shrimp on there. He's gonna eat majority rice.
Yeah, I'm gonna put my shrimp up to the front.
I was trying not to touch all over it, but
You good?
good. I ain't tried it together now. It's good? Okay, get a tuna. What you think, midget? What it tastes like? If you can guess the ingredients, not mommy, tell me what's in it.
Oh!
Taco sauce.
Okay, what else is in it? What you see? What are you eating? What you think the green base is? Cucumber and what else? It's orange. Now, I did not use taco seasoning.
What sauce is that?
Yes, that is my sauce. That's what I had to finesse. I did a taste test. I want y'all to get to the tuna. So honestly, so shout out to Lena Lips because she's the girl I got it from. She said she don't really eat tuna. Oh, and I had to call Darren because I couldn't figure out what tuna to buy. And he told me to buy, it was, I think it was like hickory smoked. He said it's already seasoned. So you put it in there, you put your sauces on it, you mix it, and I was scared to tell you, but you gotta try it first. I want you to try it out next. Go and get, both of y'all get one. Could you see us eating this like all the time, like every so often after like a gym workout, like a protein boost? That's what I was thinking, not like a full meal, like just a little snack. Like a little shrimp bowl. A little shrimp bowl. Yes, it got a little kick to it, I know. Cause trust me, I tried it and it was choking.
I mean, it's not like hot, but that's decent.
I like it.
You do it for real? Okay.
Ready?
Cheers. It's crazy that I ain't even tried this yet.
I like the tuna.
What it tastes like. Like if you could guess what sauces I put on that.
Some type of seafood sauce, I think.
I mean, I can taste the hickory smoke in it.
What you think I mixed together?
Oh, I'm not sure.
Yeah. Well, looks like I got a success, you guys. I'm gonna try my own stuff, but I just want to do a little quick video for y'all and get something out. It's been a minute since y'all seen our face. And as always, it may not make sense to you.
What's what we do?
It's a J thing. All right, y'all, we out.
Ready, baby?
Yeah, I'm showing them how. Y'all, she cutting up my bowl. I mean, my cucumber, making a bowl. It look good though. I think that's how people eat it. Honestly.
It's just because my teeth were a little sensitive. But it's really good. I want the cucumber.
The cucumber, it is good. It was just a little too thick. Remix. And put some more of that sauce on it. That's all. Let me try some.
You already had?
Let me see.
You trying to take my stuff?
Don't be trying to give me no little baby scoop.
You said you want to taste. You can say you want some.
I ain't even had no shrimp.
Oh,
That's
yeah.
it right there.
I'm gonna cut up my shrimp too.
That's it right there. Yeah, I'm finna steal that.
No.
Get
Get your own. This is really good. I can see myself eating this like after the gym or like a quick snack to make before dinner or something like that. It's really good. I like it. Need that, boy.
Real talk. Y'all know I can't cook again, like I told y'all. Like I said, these for them studs out there. We take care of our women all 2023. Shout out to y'all. Peace.